Hello students, today I am going to describe the second chapter from the physical chemistry, that is solution. What is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substances. Okay, in a solution if two components are there it is called binary solution, if three then ternary, if four then quaternary, and so on. Okay. In a true solution, the solute particles can't be separated by simple fractional distillation or by what or by filtration. Okay. Now, solution in a major part is known as solvent and minor part is known as solute. Okay, and what physical state of solvent is there, the total state of the solution will be the same as the solvent. Like gaseous solution is there. What gaseous solution? If solute is gas, solvent also gas. Solute is liquid, solvent gas. Solute is solid, solvent is gas. All are gaseous solution. Similarly, liquid solution and solid solution will be there. Now, this chapter depends on the concentration of the solution and the vapor pressure of the solution. Major thing is vapor pressure and colligative properties. Okay, now I am explaining the concentration, the unit of concentration, and how to express the concentration of a solution. By mass percentage, then what mass percentage? Solute, mass of solute present in the solvent, or molarity, that means number of moles present in solution, number of moles of solute present in solution. Okay, that means number of moles of solute by volume of the solution in liter. From class 11 you know that one. Then molality, same as number of moles of the solute by mass of the solvent, Okay, then normality. Normality only in the ISC syllabus, CBSE and state government board, that is excluded. Normality, that means number of gram equivalent by volume of the solution in liter. Then parts per million. Okay, parts per million. Parts per million, part of the component present in the total solution into 10 to the power of 6. That is parts per million. Okay. Now I am telling that one, the vapor pressure. What is vapor pressure? You know, in a closed cylinder, some liquids are there, some part is empty, That time, you need to know that one. Vapor pressure, sometimes it will be increased, sometimes decreased. Why vapor pressure is increased? The empty, we are thinking it is empty. Vessel is filled with partially filled or 70% filled or 75% filled with liquid. That liquid may be volatile or non-volatile. Okay, may be volatile or non-volatile. Volatile means what? Volatile means unstable. It can easily evaporate. Okay, now I am explaining vapor pressure. Now I am explaining vapor pressure together with Henry's law and Raoult's law. Okay, first of all, Henry's law. Henry's law states that at a constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. That means depend upon the mole fraction. Henry's law depends upon the mole fraction. You can write like this only. Pressure is directly proportional to the mole or mole fraction. Okay, and pressure you can conclude that one equal to Kh into x. Kh is the Henry's constant and x is the mole fraction. And how to determine the mole fraction? Mole fraction of the solvent Xa is equal to number of mole of the solvent by total number of mole of the solution. That means solvent plus solute. Similarly, mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of solute is equal to number of moles of the solute by total number of moles of the solution, solvent and solute. Okay. Vapor pressure of pure liquid and in solution. What is vapor pressure? When a liquid is taken in a closed vessel, a part of the liquid evaporates and its vapor occupy the available empty spaces. Part of the liquid can be evaporated and it takes part the empty spaces, available empty spaces. These vapors cannot escape. Okay, because the vessel is closed, how to escape? So pressure of the vessel, the empty spaces, before evaporation only some air was there. Now more gaseous particles are available over there. Colligative properties, first one is relative lowering of vapor pressure, second one is elevation of boiling point, third one is depression of freezing point, fourth one is osmotic pressure. This chapter is huge. One by one I will explain. First you need to come about the Raoult's law. Raoult's law states that for a solution of volatile liquid, the partial pressure of each component is directly proportional to its mole fraction.